Do you ever feel like you're running a race on a treadmill? You're putting in the work, you're sweating, you're giving it your all, but you look around and you're still in the exact same spot. For years, maybe even decades, it's felt like you've been stuck, watching from the sidelines as others seem to effortlessly lap you. You see them get the promotions, find the love of their life, build their dreams, while you've been quietly wrestling with battles you never even asked for. These silent struggles, these unseen trials, have felt like heavy chains, holding you back while the world speeds by. If this is you, if you've been feeling forgotten, left behind, or just plain weary from the fight, I need you to lean in and listen closely, because I have a message for you today, a word that I believe is directly from the heart of God for you. He told me to tell you this. I am about to collapse time. I am going to do in the next 30 days what should have taken you 30 years. Take a deep breath and let that sink in. This isn't just a motivational phrase. This is a divine declaration over your life. This moment, you finding this video, this is your divine sign. The period of stagnation is officially over. The season of being overlooked is coming to a dramatic close. You're not just catching up to where you think you should be. Oh no, it's so much bigger than that. You are preparing to take over. God is applying what I can only describe as divine acceleration to every area of your life. Your finances, which have felt strained and stuck. Your relationships, which may have felt barren or broken. Your career, where you felt invisible and unappreciated because you remained faithful when your feet were in the fire, because you held on to hope when all seemed hopeless. He is now putting you on the fast track. The years the locusts have eaten, the time you feel was stolen by hardship and delay, are being restored to you with supernatural speed. This isn't a gradual shift. This is a sudden, powerful, undeniable turnaround. It's like God is hitting the fast-forward button on your destiny. You are about to step into blessings that you thought were decades away. You're about to experience breakthroughs that logically shouldn't happen this quickly. The waiting has served its purpose. It built your character. It deepened your faith. It prepared you for what's coming. And what's coming is a flood of favor so strong it will propel you past every obstacle and every delay. So, how can you know for sure that this is your season of acceleration? In the next few minutes, I am going to reveal 3 undeniable signs that God has pushed that fast-forward button on your life. Pay very close attention, because these signs are not just theoretical. They are practical and they are happening right now. And I want to tell you, sign number 2 is especially powerful. It's about a sudden open door that you didn't even knock on. A door that is going to swing open for you, by itself. Possibly even this week. But before we get to that, let's look at the very first sign, the one that often precedes all the others. Sign number 1 that divine acceleration is active in your life is an overwhelming sense of urgency and clarity. Suddenly, the fog that has clouded your mind for years begins to lift. Where there was confusion, there is now a crystal clear vision. You'll wake up one morning with a blueprint in your spirit. Ideas that were once fuzzy and distant will become sharp and actionable. You'll feel a holy restlessness, a profound sense that now is the time. This isn't anxiety or stress. It's a divine prompting, a spiritual energy that makes it impossible for you to sit still. Procrastination will suddenly feel foreign to you. You'll have an unusual grace to organize, to plan, and to execute. That business idea you've been sitting on for 10 years. Suddenly you know the first 5 steps to take. That book you've always wanted to write. The chapter outlines will flow out of you effortlessly. This isn't just you mustering up willpower. This is God downloading His strategy directly into your heart and mind. He's not just giving you the destination. He's illuminating the next steps on the path with a high beam of clarity. When this divine urgency hits you, don't dismiss it. Don't second-guess it. Act on it. It is the starting gun for your accelerated journey. Now for sign number 2, and this one is so exciting. This is the sign of the sudden open door. This is when God, in His sovereignty, orchestrates an opportunity for you that you did not and could not have orchestrated for yourself. It is the job offer that comes out of the blue from a company you never even applied to. It's the influential person who randomly reaches out to you wanting to partner with you or invest in your vision. It's the property you've been dreaming of that suddenly becomes available and affordable against all odds. These are doors you didn't even know existed, let alone have the key for. You didn't knock, You didn't plead. You didn't strive. The door simply swings wide open. This is God demonstrating His power and favor. He is showing you that your promotion doesn't come from your boss. Your provision doesn't come from your own efforts alone. It comes from Him. When these sudden doors open, they will often require a leap of faith. They might feel intimidating. They might be bigger than anything you've stepped into before, but you must recognize them for what they are, a divine invitation into your accelerated future. Walk through them with confidence, knowing that God would not open a door for you without equipping you to thrive on the other side. Be on the lookout this very week. Your sudden open door is on its way. This brings us to sign number 3, and it's a beautiful confirmation of what God is doing. The third sign is uncommon favor with people. You will start to notice a tangible shift in how people respond to you. Individuals who previously overlooked you will suddenly see you in a new light. People who were indifferent or even opposed to you will inexplicably have a change of heart and want to help you. You'll find favor in the eyes of gatekeepers, decision-makers, and people of influence. It's like God places a spotlight on you that makes others want to bless you. You might go into a bank for a loan you don't technically qualify for, and the loan officer decides to find a way to make it work. You might present an idea in a meeting, and the entire room gets behind it with an enthusiasm that surprises even you. This is the favor of God going before you, preparing the hearts of people to receive you and your vision. It's the Joseph effect even in a foreign land. In the midst of hardship, God caused him to find favor in the eyes of all who he came into contact with. When you see this happening, when you notice this supernatural grace in your interactions, recognize it as a powerful sign of acceleration. God is aligning the right people and the right relationships to speed up your journey. He is turning hearts in your favor to accomplish His purposes through you. So let's recap these powerful signs. First, a divine urgency and clarity of vision that you can't ignore. Second, sudden open doors of opportunity that you didn't have to force open. And third, uncommon favor with people, causing them to want to help you and support you. If you are experiencing even one of these signs, get ready. Your life is about to move at the speed of favor. The years of waiting are not being wasted. They are being redeemed. The pain of the past is becoming the fuel for your accelerated future. That 30-year dream, it's on a 30-day timeline. That financial mountain, it's about to become a level plain. That relational breakthrough, it's closer than you think. God is a God of restoration, but He is also a God of acceleration. He is compressing time on your behalf, so buckle up. Stop looking in the rearview mirror at what was lost. Fix your eyes ahead on what is coming. Your season of suddenlies is here. Your time of divine acceleration has begun. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, type "I'm ready for acceleration" in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. God bless you.